Hello everyone. If you are watching me for the first time, I am Trupti Raikar. I am here to share with you all about my weight loss journey, what I did, my diet routine, my fitness routine and my self-talk. I am a dance fitness instructor and for now I am a full-time mom. I was never a super lean person, but I have always been an active person, and I always used to weigh in between 58 to 60 kgs or 130 pounds until 2018, and my life changed for good when I gave birth to my daughter. I did not gain much weight during my delivery. It was completely an organic weight gain. I delivered my baby in September 2018, and during that time I was around 70 kgs, and I gradually started gaining weight when I came India, because my mom used to feed me so nicely and I was completely high on carbs. I was literally eating for 2 people, and I was not feeling bad at all, because I used to think that I'm eating for my daughter also, you know. And just like that, few months later, I was 80 kgs, and even that didn't make much of a difference for me until I attended a family wedding, you know. At that wedding, relatives asked me to perform, to dance, and my husband video recorded me dancing. And when I watched myself in that video, I was completely disturbed, you know, and I realized that, you know, I was eating too much. You know, at that point of time I decided that I have to do something about this, and I really need to work on myself now. And I gradually decided that I have to go back to my dance routine, and I added some portion of dance every single day, and also I added 30 minutes of walking on daily basis. And on the other hand, I also worked on my food habits. I minimized the portion of my food day by day, and I started eating just for myself rather than eating for 2 people. And I started eating clean. What do I mean by that is, I noticed that before, once my daughter was 6 months old, and once I started giving her semi-solid foods or solids, I was eating a lot of carbs. I was eating not only mom made healthy food at home, but also I was adding some unhealthy food. For example, I used to eat a lot of ice creams, okay. And after that, we had to travel here and there, and I was completely inconsistent with my diet as well as my workout. And February 2020 is when I started a proper routine, as in, also after a few weeks I started going to the gym, but during lockdown and whatnot I had to discontinue it and do all the workouts at home itself. So here I'm going to share with you what I eat from morning to night. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and after getting fresh, the first thing I do is drink green tea with lemon, and after that I do some simple exercises, say for 30 minutes, mainly Surya Namaskar. I make sure that I do it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then some other simple exercises. And also after that, for 30 to 45 minutes I do the dance workout. And after that, I have my breakfast in between 8 to 8:30. The breakfast is mostly oatmeal, and I eat it completely guilt-free, because I add a lot of fruits and dry nuts and seeds into it. And also sometimes we make poha, dosa, idli, and not more than 2 to 3 of them. And after that, my daughter wakes up and I get busy with her for next couple of hours, and then I go to prepare lunch. In between, I usually don't get hungry. If at all I get hungry, I have a protein shake or fruit juice. And for lunch, which we do normally by 1 to 1:30 p.m., and it's normally rice, dal or sabzi, and making sure that I have a large portion of sabzi and dal when compared to rice. Or sometimes even we make vegetable pulao with raita, lots of salad. And evening at 4:30 to 5, I have some biscuits. I know I cheat my snack time, but I'm really working on it. And dinner is what we have by 6:30 to 7 p.m. And dinner is usually for us, I have the vegetable salad with lots of vegetables, as in vegetables of different colors. And also I add some paneer, spinach and cooked chickpeas into it, and of course the salad dressing. I never compromise with the taste. So also you might have heard about intermittent fasting, right? I have been doing intermittent fasting from some time now, and it is nothing but you fast for 12 to 14 hours in a stretch. As in, once you have done with your dinner by 7 p.m., you're not having anything until 8 or say 10 a.m. in the morning. And you can have a lot of water, you can have green tea, basically you can have 0-calorie drinks, okay? And few things which really helped me in this weight loss journey is the intermittent fasting, like I mentioned. And they say that intermittent fasting helps you to lose weight faster, and as in you can really see some changes within 3 to 4 days period of time. And also the second thing is I completely avoided white sugar. We have completely stopped bringing white sugar at home. Rather we replace that white sugar with jaggery or brown sugar. And also I stopped eating sweets. Very rarely, sometimes say once in a week, I eat chocolate. And also I completely avoided carbonated drinks, say soda or Sprite, such drinks. And also deep fried bakery food. And I'm sure you have heard it again and again, but drink a lot of water, as in I recommend to drink at least 2 to 4 liters of water without missing. And I recommend drinking warm water, because they say that I have seen for myself that warm water helps you to burn more weight. And some things which I couldn't avoid is rice and the suji rava. Rice we make, in alternative days we try to make white rice as well as brown rice, and also quinoa you can have. And suji, of course, suji rava we make like upma, dosa, idli out of it. And one of the thing I would recommend is and that is what I did, is adding or replacing your carbs with a large amount of protein. Reduce your rice intake and add a lot of protein. I added a lot of paneer and a lot of green vegetables, sprouts. You can also add eggs. Before baby, I remember I used to run dance classes for sometimes for 3 to 4 hours continuously. But last year when I started working out, dancing, I saw that I was not able to dance continuously for 10 to 15 minutes. 15 minutes was maximum. And after that, some point of time, I used to feel that I'm losing all the stamina. I used to feel tired. And if you are on the same boat, feeling that you can't do it, and you are getting tired or you are out of stamina, please don't get disappointed and don't give up. Rather, I would say that, start your workout exercises, say 10 minutes one day, and gradually increase that by 5 minutes every single day, and that will definitely help you to not only push yourself but also increase your stamina. And one of the most important thing which helped me tremendously is self-talk. I write my health goals every single day, like on a planner, on a paper, and say I want to lose, or I want to see myself weighing 60 kilos, 60 kgs in a couple of months. I keep saying that same thing to myself. I keep programming my brain that I'll be weighing 60 kilos in couple of weeks, in couple of months. For example, I read the same thing as well, and for example, I say that I weigh 60 kgs by May 2020 with a yogic and healthy body. And not only in this area, because once you achieve something in one particular area, right, you can definitely apply the same thing in the different aspects of your life, and that I have completely personally experienced. And self-talk is something which I apply to all my different areas, be it personal life or be it professional life, and you can try it out for yourself. Lastly, it is all about having a clarity of what goal you want to achieve, and making a decision and prioritizing your time and choices to work towards it. This entire journey has completely been a learning experience for me, and it has absolutely made me a better person than yesterday, I can say, and I feel better about myself. And I'm very happy about what I am today. I hope I added some value, or this video helped to you guys. But if you have any questions, just I'm a message away. So have fun. Bye.